Hello everyone, Sam is there from creativetradingsystems.com, making this small quick video about gold. Alright, so let's get started. This is the chart. This is a gold monthly chart I made on the 15th of October 2022, and the target was this 50% and for wave 4 that this is it's already touched, and the question was that is wave 4 finished, and it was supposed to be like 1 ABC 2, wave 3, then A and B and C, wave 4, followed by wave 5 to the upside. So this was the chart of this a monthly chart. Similarly, I see at the same time, a little bit more detailed, a weekly chart. And these are the lows, and this is where I was expecting that it will finish wave C, A, B, C correction for wave 4. And if it is, then we will go up to wave 5. So what happened so far, right from there, you see that monthly chart from 50%, 16, 17 area, and we have a very, very nice bullish candle right now, and for this month, and this is starting November 1st. So far, you can see it's a very powerful, big bullish candle. So we bounce from here, and now going for wave 5. If you look at the weekly chart, this is how it is. Wave 4 is finished here. ABC correction, and we bounced, we came back, then again 3 touches here, 3, like a triple bottom kind of thing, right? 16, 14 is the lowest we made, 50% was 16, 17, and from there on, 2 weeks in a row, big move to the upside, and then little retracement going on, right? This retracement now, even though we have to go from wave 4 to wave 5, even wave 5 usually goes higher than wave 3. So if this is wave 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, then we have to go with wave 5, and it will go in 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E. Now this wave 4 is usually unfold like my diagram. You can see like either this way. Now this way you can see that it's a little bit more steep, so zigzag, A, B, and C. C is way below that A. And then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 5 waves to the upside for wave 5. Sometimes the wave 4 unfold in irregular flat. This is what it is. Right, flat correction. Means like this 1, 2, then wave 2 is zigzag, and then wave 4 is a flat, means A, B, and C almost like very, very similar, same size. C usually goes a little bit more than A. Okay, and usually it's around 38%, but sometimes it goes to 50%, and that's the case here, that we see came down a little bit more to 50% of wave 3. Because from 2 ended here, wave 3, A, B, and C came down a little bit below A. Instead of 38%, 50%, and from there on we are bouncing. So now we have to go to the upside. I'll make the new charts. Wave 5 should be somewhere here, but like I said, that it will go in what fashion? This fashion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like here, wave 5, wave 1, wave 3, and wave 5. They all are impulse waves and have 5 subwaves. So 5 waves here, 5 waves here, and here we'll have also 5 waves. How this, for example, if you look at the shorter time frame, let me show it to you how it was unfolding and now what it is doing. This is what it is. So this wave C, from the top it dropped, right? And if you can see A, B, C, X, A, B, C, blue count, or you can count it like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So wave C is also a corrective wave, but can be an impulse wave. Wave A and wave C could be impulse wave, consists of 5 subwaves. So that's what, both counts are fine. It's a correction, ABC, X, ABC, O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But finishing that here, this is where the end of wave 4 at 16, 17, we had a powerful move to the upside. Big move. You see, it is the size of this move. See that? And after that comes correction for A, B, C correction, right? So this is what it is. If this is wave 1 to the upside, wave 1 of wave 5, then we need A, B, C correction back to 61%, which is coming exactly at 1684, which is a weekly number, which is right here, 1684, 82. That's something like this. This one. This here is 1682, but 1684, I guess. So if that happens, then what? That will be confirmed, 100% confirmed that okay, this is just like bearish wave 1 and 2, bullish wave 1 and 2, followed by wave 3, 4, 5. We will go above and beyond this point, hopefully. All right. So if this is wave, if this is wave 1 or A, most likely it is wave 1, then we need wave 2. So we need to be staying below 1750 and then go down here around 1684, which is 100%, 61% of this rise here as well. Once we get there, then we're going to be going. So that would be like wave 1, 2, and then wave 3. Now, wave 3 will also have small 5 waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Just like here, you see, if you can see the wave 3, right? It's wave 1, 2, then wave 3 is like 1, 2, and then wave 3, and then wave 4, and then wave 5. Something like that. So this is how we're going to be. What's up? Where it's go? So this is what I'm expecting, that this is wave 1, and then it's going to be a retracement for wave 2, and followed by wave 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So right now, down move. Now, from here to here, how it went up, and how can you get in, and how you can make money. I mean, here you can see it's like a straight line, right? And then here, the weekly chart, also, boom, straight line. But mine is that magic IB system, or the creative IB, system that I call for entry is this. This is how it gives you opportunity. See this 20-minute chart? This is the rise of that little move. See this 11.3 from 11.3, and you see this from here. You can see November 3rd, right? So from here to here, how many entries you got from my system here? This is starting from here, and now here is bearish, and then you have to wait for it to become bullish. That's like confirmation. So boom, it goes out the other side of the red line and it becomes bullish. Then it comes and gives you an entry. My entry is like yellow line. It has to be bullish entry is yellow. It must be above the black. This indicates all the way down, coming to the upside, turning to the upside. The red candle turns blue, and I open the trade here, and I place the SL here. Now, if you notice that this was a good entry without any SL hit, this was a good entry without any SL hit, this was a good entry. You might have hit the SL, but once you go a little bit more positive direction, right? Then what I do is that what we do is, my whole group, that we move the SL also to reduce the risk, right? So it's a minimum risk here, but then again, the entry and then that loss, whatever the minimum loss here, was covered and made some. Then this was a big move, right? Then again, this was a move. Then this was a move, right? At least break even, right? Now, coming from the top, you see that the price is now below red and give you a short setup here. Then big, nice drop, right? And then you can see right now we are having another short setup building right now. Right now we have blue candles. And once the red candles start, I can make the entry, right? I may not get the blue red candle, and it may continue to go to the upside. Then there is no short. I'm not going to take those short with the blue candles, right? So this system stops you from taking the wrong entry as well. And then, but what I'm expecting right now is this long distance, right? Not long distance, but at least from from here. Right now we are here, so coming down here like 1681, that would be somewhere 1681 would be somewhere here, right? So it might be coming down on a straight line, or maybe it will go up here and then go. Come down here. It's bouncing right now from this area. Look, and making a setup, right? See that? Okay. So if it start posting red candles, I'm gonna go short, and then take out this, try to take out. If not, if it bounces from here again, I will be sitting on a break even, and then boom, no problem. So it might go up here to 61% of this much drop, and then again, for let's say, for example, this, okay. So here, A, B, and then C goes there. Okay, where? We need 1680, right? So where is 1680? And it's way below there. Okay, so 1680 would be somewhere here. So it may go up a little bit and then break down here and then come all the way here. Once that's done, let me just draw the 1680. 1680, for example, right? So that would be the target to the downside for wave 2. If we continue coming down, fine. But if it goes up here and then take out this, then boom, it's going up again, right? So, but yeah, it will go this side of the red line and then start giving me the entry, and I'll take the long entry. What the hell with it, you know? But this is a system and accurate system that provides you good entries. In a small move, even you have several entries, and every time, most of the time, when you make an entry, you are positive. You hardly go negative. If you play by the rules, break the rules, and then the rules will break you. Simple as that. Okay, so play by the rule, and you'll be fine. Right? It's all in front of you. Okay, so this is how it is, and like I said, that pay attention to this, and we probably going to come down for wave 2, and then followed by wave 3. So this is how I just wanted to share with you guys. If you want to get the system and learn how to trade like this, then go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe. And if you need of learning the whole game, the whole forex market, and just the whole system, and then support, resistance, and Elliott Wave and harmonic patterns, blah blah blah, then sign up for one-on-one. It's a 10-hour coaching over the Skype, not Skype, sorry, Zoom. I forgot. I left a Skype a long time ago, so I'm using Zoom. It's much better, and 10-hour, 1 hour each session, and I teach from A to Z, every single thing, and you become master of this, not only this market, but the system, and be able to take the entries at will. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.